I see that. Yep. Fluids belong in the motor. Yep.
We need a new wiring harness.
Yeah. Oh, she's fried, boy. That UPS truck. What truck parts you guys got coming for Christmas? Look at it go. Bet it's heading your way right now. There goes Santa Claus. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a hot minute. Sorry for taking a couple weeks off on you guys. It's been absolutely crazy getting ready for the holidays. I hope everybody's excited for Christmas and looking forward to some much needed time off and time with the family and friends. You guys all are our friends and family, so we are going to spend some time with you guys today as well. During this holiday season, we are heading down to none other than Overtime Diesel to check out Ovi's other RZR project he's got going on, and also I am dropping off some camera equipment. We are trying something new with our little collaboration we got going on here. I'm going to leave some memory cards, some batteries, and some GoPro stuff with him so he can film stuff when I'm not able to make it to the shop. He works on stuff around the clock, so hopefully this will help get some more content to you guys as well as we bring more stuff to the channel. My big project that I've been keeping a secret from you guys and hiding for quite some time now will get unveiled in hopefully the very next video. So if you're new, please make sure you stick around. I'm super pumped. I wanted to do it this video, but time is running out, so I want to get this in front of you guys as well, because he is about to tear into this RZR in the next video. But if you can't tell by the thumbnail or the title, this RZR actually caught on fire and now he's working on it, building it back up. So we're gonna get down to the shop, see what he has going on, and kick this project off, guys. So here we go. Let's see what which one you got over there.
7.
7? That's an 8. We'll plug that stuff in and see if it's gonna work. It should be in the side. That side opens up. Yeah, try to pop that battery out first. That way you got a spare. Think he can do it?
I think he can do it.
Think he can do it. All right, folks, you got it. He's gonna get her. Yeah, we'll leave all the hard working, grinding, building stuff up to Obi, and then I'll just do all the talking. As long as you're okay with that.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. All right, he said it's good. All right, so let's head in and check this sucker out. Ought to be right in here. Holy cow, looks like you cleaned this place up a little bit. You clean it up in here?
I moved some shit.
Move some stuff around? Okay. Look at this bad boy. You guys are used to seeing this one in the shot. This one's got a lot going on. Got a tire under there. I like that. Nothing but the best here. But today we're checking out this sucker right here. Where's this one been?
Been at the other building.
The other building? You had this one for a minute now or what?
I had this one since 21.
21, so a couple years. You had this one before this one?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so this was your original OG one, I guess you would call it.
Yeah, she was pretty nice back in the day.
Pretty nice. It still looks pretty nice. It looks pretty beefed up. What's all done to it? Ooh, where to start, huh? Tough one.
Clutch kit, studs, turbo stuff.
Bigger turbo? Did it come with the turbo?
I just cranked the wastegate up.
Okay, get a little bit more out of her.
Boost.
Yeah.
Charge air piping. I don't know. There's so much stuff.
So much stuff done, and some custom paint work and
this is the
roll
one,
cage, or
this is the one that I brought home with less than a mile and stripped it all down.
Nice. This looks really good. I'm sure it's had a couple journeys. I don't know if I'm pretty sure I showed it already, but it caught on fire, right?
Yeah.
What happened there?
Pretty sure we left the heat shield off. That probably needed a heat shield.
Oh, yes, because then the heat actually will burn stuff. What did it catch on fire here? What kind of damage did it do?
Started with the air box.
Yeah?
And then, yeah, they go pretty quick after that.
How long was it under flames before you put it out?
Ooh. 2-3 minutes probably.
2 or 3 minutes. Somebody holler at you, say, "Hey, buddy." Or...
Oh, I knew it was on fire. Just some lady in a Bronco had a fire extinguisher, so I got
yes. Otherwise, it'd have been a total loss by the looks of the video. But looking around this sucker looks real cool. Obviously, got the stickers on there, represent. Now the color scheme looks crazy already. Seat's a little loose. She'll go right back into place. But love the seats. Love the color. White and teal, like everything you do. Even the damn hoodie today is teal, so I like that as well. What's you're actually gonna redo it, right? That's why we're here. Yeah, gonna redo it now. It caught on fire. It's time to redo it.
But it was rolled the ride before it caught on fire.
Okay.
So then we kind of slapped it back together.
Gotcha. So now it's time to actually break it down, do it right, and that's what we're gonna do. We gave you a bunch of memory cards and some batteries, and you're gonna film this process. And then I'll get to stop back down and see afterwards what you got going on. You think you're gonna get this one done first or this one? Hopefully.
Probably this one.
Yeah, probably start with this and then we can get this one done. Yeah. Then you can do the truck, the trailer, the 900 other things we always talk about and see on the channel. But progress is good and that's what we're here. You're selling this old gal in the back here.
Oh, the other one.
The other one, okay, don't advertise that. That one's staying, look at me go. But anyways, this is gonna stay.
Nope.
Nope, that goes, new one.
New one. I put a little dent in it last time we rolled.
Okay, so might as well scrap it, junk, obviously.
Probably got that video. I'll send you that one.
Yeah, send me that stuff. We'll get all that stuff on here.
We landed on this side.
Uh-oh. I love it. Just comes right off. You keeping those panels? Are you repainting them or?
Nope, getting everything new.
Everything new. Okay. You gonna sell any of these parts or what?
They're pretty trashed.
Pretty trashed. Okay. Well, maybe they'll make good wall ornaments or something. I like it. What else? Rear end?
Oh, it needs back bumper, it needs a trunk, new airbox. It's getting a new frame.
Oh, whole new frame.
Whole new frame. We gotta figure out why the training's leaking something.
Yeah, I see that. Yep. Fluids belong in the motor. Yep.
We need a new wiring harness.
Yeah. Oh, she's fried, boy. Look at that.
We need an intake tube, crossover tube, all the tubes.
Don't look at it so much because more stuff is just gonna keep coming up. But it looks so good already. I mean, it's only gonna be better. Front end here.
New fenders, new front bumper, probably a new hood.
Yeah.
New control arms.
Oh yeah.
Everything. New axle back there.
Okay.
I am doing a new floorboard because a stick came through the floorboard on one of our rides.
No kidding. Just absolutely beating this sucker. But that's what they're made for, right?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they absolutely are. They'll go back together.
I want to be nice to it after this one.
Yeah. Once it gets nice, you're going to want to keep it good, at least decent good, because then you're going to have this other one. But as long as you don't get in the mindset, hey, I got another one if I blow this one up, because that gets expensive and dangerous. So
yeah, we're going to try to not trash them no more.
Okay, yeah, I'll hold you to that. I got it on video, so I'll follow back up with you next time you get wild and crazy.
There's part of my airbox.
Oh, yeah, she done, boy. She done. Well, this is going to be super epic. A lot of fun. Going to clean up real nicely. I can't wait to see how your filming skills do in the next video.
We'll see.
So I'll stop back down. I'll let you get to work on this bad boy, and we can follow back up. But thanks for showing me around this sucker here. Gonna be cool. All right, guys, so I'm just wrapping up down here at Overtime Diesel. Again, if you are local and you need any diesel truck needs, please stop down and see OV down here. All the guys are absolutely incredible down here. Just got done hanging out with these guys right before Christmas. So again, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I hope you look forward to these Razor builds along with everything else that's coming to the channel. We cannot thank you guys enough from the bottom of our hearts, but have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's, and we will see y'all in the next one.